Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You act fast, scrape away wet primer gently with a dull knife or spoon to prevent deeper penetration. Once done, blot the area with paper towels. Make sure to lift, not rub, because rubbing spreads pigment and embeds particles. Next, test a small amount of acetone or rubbing alcohol on an inconspicuous seam to check for color fastness. If safe, apply solvent sparingly. Use a cotton swab to control saturation, so you remove primer without damaging fabric fibers. Once the primer softens, you continue systematically. Work in small sections, applying solvent and blotting repeatedly until the majority lifts. Make sure to alternate solvents if needed: acetone for oil-based primer, rubbing alcohol, or dish soap for latex, to target composition. After loosening, use a soft bristle brush to agitate fibers gently. This helps dislodge trapped particles without shredding cloth. Then rinse thoroughly under cold, running water to flush away residue. You finish by pre-treating the area with a commercial stain remover or concentrated laundry detergent. Work it in and let it sit for 5–10 minutes. Make sure to launder according to the care label, using warm water only if the fabric tolerates it. Once washed, air dry the garment. Do not use a dryer because heat can set any remaining primer permanently. If a faint stain persists, repeat the solvent and blot cycle, or take the item to a professional cleaner as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.